Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to introduce you to the word how to. How to means you want to describe or you want to show how you do something. For example, how to swim, how to drive, or how whatever it is. So today I'm going to show you how to eat using your hands. See, this is my food, rice, fried tofu, and fried eggs, like an omelette. So this is a very common way for Indonesian people to eat by using their hands. But make sure before you eat, you have to wash your hands using soap. Harus pakai sabun. Jadi how to itu digunakan untuk menunjukkan bagaimana melakukan sesuatu, misalnya bagaimana menyetir, bagaimana makan, bagaimana mengajar, how to teach, how to drive, how to eat. So today I'm going to show you how to eat by using your hands. So you see there are some rice. You just use your hands like this. See? And then you just put it into your mouth. For example, I'm going to add some eggs into my rice and using some ketchup sambal. I put some rice like this. I make sure it becomes a lump like this, and I'm going to put it into my mouth. Bismillah. In Islam, before you eat something, you have to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana. It means please God, please Allah, bless our food to the food we eat. So I'm going to use my hands again. I put some eggs, some sambal, and some rice, and put it into my mouth. Simple food, Indonesian food. You know, it is a sunnah, it is recommendable or advisable that you chew your food 40 times. So it becomes a very, soft in your mouth, because it can be, it can be into one thing that involves your enzyme, which is very good for your health. I usually eat very slow and chew my food thoroughly. So in Japan, they say itadakimasu before they eat. It means let's eat. Bon appetit in French. But in bahasa Indonesia, selamat makan.